My name is Neil, and I'm the owner of Dux Signal Kits, and I'm going to give you an overview of a kit for a razor. This is a plug-and-play kit for razors and razor 4s. It uses a column-mounted turn switch. This is what is in the bag. It's a very simple kit, very easy to install. Everything is plug and play. You don't need any tools to install this. You don't have to clip any wires, attach any terminals. It all just plugs in. There are labels, and then the wires, of course, are color coded. Just like this one, you see that pair of wires goes to the horn, so it has a label for the horn. The flasher is already integrated into the harness. It's built right into it. The horn button. These wires go to the column-mounted turn switch. They do not match the colors on the harness, so there's labels on the harness that say 2 red, 2 yellow, 2 green. So you do have to read the labels and match those colors up or put them in the correct place. The blue wire comes directly from the flasher to the turn switch, and what it does, it flashes the indicator light that's built into the turn switch. This label indicates that pair of wires goes to the left rear. The light plugs in just as simple as you see it there. Match white to white, and then the yellow goes to the black. I use yellow for left and green for right. That would be the right rear. This is the front end of the harness, and again the labels are marked. Lights are plugged in. This pair of wires, orange and white wire, are built into the harness for a license plate light if you need that. On the razors, I pick up the power off the back side of the accessory plug using these 2 plug-ins. Although in the 15 models, that plug is live all the time. So plan B on that is they've put Polaris has put a terminal block on the firewall just under the hood. So you clip these 2 terminals off. A couple ring terminals like the one seen there at the top are included in the package. You attach those and then pick up your power off of the terminal block, which is keyed or is tied to the key. So it's on when key on and then off when key off. The wire harness is long enough for a razor 4, but it can be used on the standard length models by just coiling the excess wire, which is only about 30 inches. If you coil it and secure it under the hood, it works just fine that way. There's plenty of other kits out there that you could buy, but they're not plug and play. They're not made to fit like this one is. This one's just so much easier to install. You don't want to put a cheap kit on a nice machine like your Razor 900 or 1000. Those are expensive machines. Don't put a cheap turn signal kit on them, and don't compromise your safety by putting a cheap kit on. You don't want to have to make the wiring harness yourself when you can buy a nice kit like this.